This is 5285 and a half, State Route 721, Bradford, Ohio. This is the hole in the wall area that the maintenance has had off since our pipes froze up on January 30th, 2019, the day of the fire. As you can see, there's moisture on the wood, and the blue piping is the new pipe they put in a few months back to keep the pipes from freezing up. They brought the pipes inside the mobile home, but the pipes have still froze up about 4 times since they've done that. I came up this morning and I noticed that there's moisture here around the pipes, and the carpet's actually down into the hallway here in the second bedroom. Still have the heater that they hooked up on January 30th, 2019, the day of the fire when the pipes all froze up and got the mobile home on fire. Still hooked up. It's their heater. It's either Bob Rex, Alex Rex, or Stephen and Rick's heater. It's still hooked up, as you can see. There's the electrical cord. Move my carpet shampoo. As you can see, it is still hooked up into my electric. I was told not to touch it and that they would be back in a day or so. That was January 30th. It's still hooked up and I haven't touched it, but yet it's still running up my electric bill. I have been afraid too, and I have, they know it's here, it's their equipment, but I also, I'm afraid to touch anything of theirs. There it is. And you can see the moisture from the pipes, which they saw that actually on January 30th. And yeah, so there we are. That's that. This is March 8th, 2019. Approximately, let's see, get the time here. It's approximately about 1:40 in the morning. And that's here at 5285 and a half, State Route 721, Bradford, Ohio. Robert Reck Sr. is the owner here, and this is under Rex Aggregates, which is their farm trust. There we have it.